Managing inventory across multiple locations doesn't have to be complicated. With Percent POS, you can sync inventory between stores in real time, helping you transfer items, reduce tracking errors, and keep operations running smoothly. In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure the sync using Hamachi and RemoteConnections. Let's start with setting up Hamachi. Download and install LogMeIn Hamachi on the server computer at each store location. Once installed, create or join a unique Hamachi network for each store. For example, Store Houston TX or Store Chicago IL. This creates a secure, private network that allows servers from different stores to connect, even if they're in different cities. Next, open the RemoteConnections tool. You'll find it inside your C:\GBT POS folder. Double-click on RemoteConnections.exe. Now, click on Add Remote Connection. Here's what to enter. Server. The name of the remote store SQL server. Database. Usually GBT.POS. Authentication. Choose SQL Server Authentication. Username. POS. Password. POS. And finally, give the connection a name, for example, Chicago Store or Dallas Inventory. Click Test Connection to make sure everything is working properly. Each store also needs a special sync login. To begin, open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to your server. Next, expand the Security folder, then right-click Logins and select New Login. In the login name field, type syncuser. Select SQL Server Authentication and enter the password 55555. Make sure to uncheck Enforce Password Policy, so the password doesn't expire. Now click Server Roles and check the box for Sync Admin. Then go to User Mapping, select the database GBT.POS, and check DB_owner. Click OK to save and you're done. This user will now have full access to sync inventory between stores. Then, each store must be assigned a unique store number. Run a new query. You can find this query in the knowledge base. Make sure to change the store number, change the current store number, and the new store number. This number will help Percent keep store inventory separate while syncing them together in one shared network. That's it for part 1. You've now set up the foundation for syncing your stores together. In part 2, we'll show you how to create the sync file that keeps inventory moving between stores automatically. Let's keep going.